Hey buddies, what's up? Welcome to a new video on my channel. And today we're gonna take care on the Arosa to get it ready for the TÜV inspection. I already have done a couple of things. I would say we lift it up and take a look what I have done so far. Okay, so I installed a new antenna, new wiper blade in the back, and some new wipers in the front. So everything, all that is working again. And now, you see the seat is missing because I took care on the rust. So and got the carpet out, it's already in again, and we'll take a look underneath. So that's what the underbody looks like. So everywhere there was just a little rust, I sprayed a little underbody stuff on there. So, and I welded in the plate here where the hole was, and I welded in the plate here. So that's all fine, all good. Yeah, so by the way, car's sitting on coilovers. Yeah, and I started already with the brakes, so the front is already done. Okay, so brakes in the front are already done, everything is new. Cleaned up the calipers a little bit, but everything's working fine. So the brake in the back was seized, so this side looks fine, but then I've seen some cracks, and that's not so good. Here's an even bigger crack. Yeah, so then I went to the other side, and there was the piston was totally trash. Yeah, so this piston was just oxidized, and so this side is already done. I cleaned everything up, new pads in there. The rotor is still fine, so I cleaned them up a little bit in the sandblast, and they get painted when they are back installed, just black. And so I go ahead and install this side, clean off this, and then I do the other side, and the brakes are done and everything for the inspection is done. Then we go ahead and do the maintenance stuff. So the brakes are done, that is what they look like. The paint is still drying. But yeah. So brakes are done. I'm already letting out oil. Now we're doing the maintenance stuff. So next part is getting the oil filter out. Draining the transmission fluid. Replace this seal because it's leaking. The side cover seal. It's just like 3 screws, so that should be done like quick. And then we're gonna take care on the timing belt. So I took the side cover off of the transmission. That's what it looks like now. Yeah. And now I can replace this seal that was leaking right here. You see we had rusted already. So I'm gonna clean the cover really good and get it back on. So I got rid of the rust and cleaned it real good in our machine, and you see here the rust is pretty severe. Yeah, so it's already eating kind of a lot of that metal. So I have to use a little bit of silicone to put it on here, a really slight layer to fill up the little gaps, otherwise it will be leaking after a couple of months probably. And then we get a new seal on, then fill up the transmission oil, and then it's good to go. Okay, so the transmission is fixed, so everything, new seal on there, oil is in there. So here we got the, we dismantled all this stuff. Yeah, so we got the engine mount at the right side out, the bracket, and the cover, the air supply, and that's the air filter. It's time for a new one, I would say, and same as for the serpentine belt. Okay, but we have new ones anyway. Alright, so right here we took the valve cover off to get something in the back like this. So normally you have to use a tool, but that works just fine. We also put a little pin down there and there, so the fuel pump is lined up, and down at the crankshaft it's also on the position, so it's on the OT on the first cylinder right here. And now we let the engine down, we move the pulley at the bottom, get the cover off, take the timing belt off, and put a new one on there. Okay, so the timing belt is done, and valve cover, everything is back on there. And now I go and start it and see how it sounds. Everything should be fine, and if that's all fine, we replace the diesel filter. And the air filter is sitting down there, but yeah, I ordered the wrong one. I was thinking it's sitting in here, but it's basically not. So yeah, I have to order a new one and get that fixed next week. But yeah, for right now, I should be fine like that. So the car is running just fine. So now we go ahead and replace the diesel filter. Yes, now we go ahead and replace the diesel filter. Alright, so the car is done. Yeah, the seat is also back installed. And yeah, that's all what it took to get that car back roadworthy. Doing a kind of big inspection. Get all the little things fixed. Now we're heading for the inspection and then we can drive it again. Alright buddies, see you then.